Isangane
everyone. I go by the names of Mbabazi John, Chairman Isangane. Isangane is a traditional dance of the Bafumbira that originates from the gathering of community after harvest. They sit down and enjoy their harvest and also discuss about community development. That's the meaning of Isangane. Isangane was formed by Ubuntu Association, the United Bafumbira Association, and this was meant to bring together all the Bafumbira in the diaspora and within Uganda. And the purpose was and is and still will be for the development of our community. We do CSR every end of the year, and that CSR that we do, we give back to the community. They had, especially hard to reach areas in Soro, the health centers in Soro, but this time around 2025, we are looking at doing an IC unit, build one of the best IC units in Soro. And all the contributions that we shall get shall be targeting the building of an IC unit in Soro that will help our communities, not only the Bafumbira in Soro, but even our friends and neighbors from Kabale, from Rukunjiri, from even across the borders. We need to have health care brought to the people and at a very reasonable cost that is manageable by the lowest of the lowest, but can save life. That's the whole purpose of the Bafumbira and the Bafumbira community and the Isangane at large. Thank you very much.
Isangane mukuza yaje umuhare wose karengeri na kanaba yeme gitenderi na memuye mwitse mushire hasi.